Neha, why do I need to take supplements when I'm eating healthy?
Well, that's a very valid question, and I totally feel you because we always think our grandparents never took supplements, so why do we need to take so many? But let's understand we don't live in the time and age our grandparents lived in. Also, not everything we put in our mouth gets utilized by our cells, and there are a lot of reasons to it. First of all, sometimes we eat foodless food that has no nutrients. Besides that, the way we eat, the way we chew our food, the state of mind we eat in, the health of our gut lining, the health of our liver, all of this impacts the digestion absorption process and the utilization of nutrients in the cell. And we really can't deny the fact that today we always eat in a hurry, live in worry, and we always do, get, and we don't calm down when we eat. So that really has an impact on the way our food gets digested, absorbed, and the way our cells take up nutrients from our food. And we also cannot forget the fact that the natural food grown today has 30 to 50 times less nutrients than what grew in our grandma's age. That's because the soil then was rich and fertile, but the soil today has been overexploited with a lot of harsh chemicals, fertilizers and all, which leaves the soil less fertile and cannot enrich our food with the nutrients that it used to do earlier. So of course, whatever we eat does not give us the maximum nourishment that we need to be healthy and to thrive. That's why we have deficiencies, and supplementation is a great way to overcome deficiencies and to live a healthier life and to prevent diseases. But remember, not every and any supplement, just clean and necessary supplements can do the magic.